children, today we are going to start with chapter number 6, that is Saudi Arabia, the Sandy Desert. So let's study about the desert now. It's a landscape or region जो क्या receive करता है? It receive extremely low amount of rainfall. ये क्या enough? किसको support करता है? Enough growth of plants. So desert located in tropic is called hot desert. Most desert of the world lie in western part of the continent. The reason for such location are the dry trade winds, blowing here and the poof. Saudi Arabia, location and land. So let us know, look at the location of Saudi Arabia. To the east of the Red Sea lies the Arabian Peninsula. So in the peninsula, because it too like India, it is surrounded by water on three sides. Tropic of Cancer, जो Tropic of Cancer है वो pass करता है through the middle of this region. So in this Arabian Peninsula is a big country of Saudi Arabia. And the countries surrounded by Saudi Arabia are Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, right? United Arab Emirates and Oman and Democratic Republic of Yemen and Qatar. The days in Saudi Arabia are hot, the nights are relatively cold. और जो areas होते हैं क्या receive करते हैं? Very little rainfall and the coastal areas are comparatively cold. और जो coastal area होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? Cold. So let's us know about the Jeddah. Jeddah is a seaport. It is also very big airport. People from far and near come here by air and sea. So then continuing their journey to Makkah and Medina, the greatest pilgrim centers for the followers of Islam, Riyadh is the capital city of Saudi Arabia in the modern city. So Jeddah जो है वो आपका modern है, very rich city है and whole is very rich country and it's because it has large reserve of mineral oil. और जो mineral oil होता है वो क्या कहाँ buried होता है? Deep under the sands and the mineral oils yield petroleum which is exported to almost every part of the world. इसे हम liquid gold कहते हैं और सऊदी अरेबिया जो है वहाँ पे enormous wealth आपको देखने को मिलेगी. And in Saudi Arabia, one would find the best of the modern facilities till tall skyscraper, shopping arcade, business center, educational institution. Right? Mineral oil is taken out and refined into petroleum and other products. Related to it, oil is taken out in very large quantities. So, from the oil fields, it is sent to the harbor through a huge pipeline after the oil has reached the harbor. So, आफ्टर द ऑयल हैज रीच द हार्बर वो स्पेशल शिप्स जो होती है उनके थ्रू फिल करा जाता है जिन्हें हम टैंकर्स कहते हैं राइट. सो दीज पीपल हैव बिकम ब्रेव एंड टफ ड्यू टू देयर हार्ड सराउंडिंग. उनकी हार्ड सराउंडिंग की वजह से क्या हो गया बहुत टफ हो गया. पीपल ट्रैवल इन कारवान्स और जो कैमल है व्हाट इट इज यूजफुल एनिमल. सो even though it is extremely hot, camels can stay without water for several days because of its various advantage. जो camel है it has been rightly named as a ship of desert. Traders carry goods on the camel back for trading in towns and cities. After a little travel with the traders, we stay on with the local Bedouins. These people keep moving from one place to another throughout their life and they never settle down in one place. In लोगों को क्या बोला जाता है? Nomads. So these people are very hospitable. They speak Arabic throughout their lives and they rear and graze sheep, goat, camels and horses. It is rare to spot water in Saudi Arabia. There are some weatherless, waterless river channels. Rains here are scarce. It rains for a month or two throughout the year. Because of this rainfall, of a few grasses grow here and there, but mostly we would find shrubs, cactus in the season. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो पानी के लिए इसको बहुत कम पानी चाहिए होता है ग्रो करने की. The weather is cool and pleasant in the morning. Sun कहाँ से rise करता है? Sunrise, as the sun rises, temperature भी क्या हो रहा है? Rise हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है. So as the sun goes higher, the heat becomes unbearable. The clothes worn by these people are loose and they wear a headdress which protect these people from heat and dust. Bedouins have to face severe dust storm, right? So during such storm, the camel lie down. और जो Bedouins होते हैं वो shelter लेते हैं behind the faithful animal. we find sand dunes in these areas and these are big mounds hillock made up of loose sand. Wind blow करती है, sand dunes keep changing and sometimes green watery spot may be found in the desert. In spots को क्या कहा जाता है? Oasis, right? There is a permanent spring and underground water here. In oasis we may find orchards or date palm and some people also cultivate wheat and barley. Some people prefer to settle in such area. वो small villages बनाता है. They earn by living people and traders passing and there is an exchange of whatever they need to be selling. The Bedouins women are very fond of ornaments. इनको ornaments पहनने का बहुत शौक होता है. So the lives of Bedouins is changing rapidly. Now what they are preferring? वो क्या कहते हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि वो एक प्लेस पे सेटल हो, रोम ना करें इधर से उधर. So today they also use jeeps and motor cars. They also have many other modern amenities and facilities available to them. We find refinery areas. At that place, crude oil is refined into petrol, diesel, and other petroleum products. Right? So they produce various kinds of goods. Schools, colleges, and other educational institutions are also found here. If we talk about Arabia, imports many things. बहुत सारी चीजें import करता है. And things like meat, fish, vegetables are exported from India to Saudi Arabia. In return, what we get? We get large quantity of crude oil that we see. India has a good trade relation with Saudi Arabia. एक अच्छे trade relation है. And Indians working in a Saudi Arabia, many people from here to come India for business. बहुत लोग पढ़ने भी आते हैं और बहुत लोग घूमने भी आते हैं. So we see that how man has adapted himself to extreme climate. Hot desert, that is Saudi Arabia, is found almost everywhere in the. So we have Sahara Desert, North Africa, Thar Desert, India, Australian Desert, Australia, Kalahari, South Africa, और आपका कोलोराडो डेजर्ट नॉर्थ अमेरिका. ठीक है, ये आपको कुछ फैक्टॉइड दिए थे. मक्का में 20 billions of visitors are coming annually, and what they are doing? They are doing pilgrimage. Children's men also have struggled to lead a better life. He has successfully adapted himself to each basin he lives. So, as man has proved that hard work can even turn us desert into prosperity, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.